Hey guys, this is Tony Maritato, licensed physical therapist, and our therapy dog Tucker. If you've been dealing with neck stiffness, tension, or that consistent tightness that just won't go away, you're going to want to see this video. So this is the ComforTrac Cervical Home Traction Unit 1.0. It's a simple, drug-free way to support neck discomfort right at your own home. I use this same model here in my clinic, and many people find it helps them relax and feel better right after using it. The secret is this gentle decompression it provides for the neck and the upper spine. The light stretch helps improve mobility and circulation, which makes everyday movement feel simple and a lot more comfortable. It's incredibly comfortable and easy to use. The contoured cradle adjusts to fit any neck size, and the hand pump lets you control exactly how much stretch you want. You can literally use it while laying on your back and relaxing. If you're looking for a natural, comfortable way to support your neck mobility and reduce tension at home, the ComforTrac Cervical Home Traction Unit 1.0 is worth a look.